YouTube, listen, today is a new day. Let's start off our day with purpose. Don't keep doing the same old thing. Let's switch it up, try to do something different. Today, I'm about to give the freshest cuts I can give all day to whoever it comes through that door, all right? Everyone, let's go. So if you keep doing the same thing, you're gonna get the same result. So my thing is, you know, with my whole YouTube and just with my life period, I switched it up, you know what I mean? I started doing different things and everything I did started to pop. So today, I'm just on that same thing, man. I'm on that same grind. These past few days is an eye opener, and I'm just, you know, I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna keep doing something different daily. So make sure you have purpose. Alright, you guys, so when I wake up, I'm excited to come to work. So most of the time, I'll be the first one here, but that's purpose. You know what I mean? You gotta get up. You gotta set your day out. You gotta be excited for what you do. Get up and go. Okay? Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
What's up, man?
You like the cut?
You
do?
Yeah.
Make sure you go on Yelp, okay?
Okay.
Leave a comment. Leave some type of review. Just go on Yelp. That's all you gotta do. You gonna do it? For sure?
What?
You gonna go on Yelp and leave a good comment?
Yep.
On your haircut?
Yep.
Appreciate it. Don't make your day so much of a grab, you know what I mean? If you get up and you have something that you want to do, just attack it, just do it, you know what I mean? Do something different than the normal thing that you keep doing. Therefore, it will brighten up your day. It will make you feel more worthy, you know what I mean? So get up and have purpose. See, a lot of you guys can't even wake up because you have no purpose. So once you develop some purpose, you'll be able to get up easier, okay? Just get up and have purpose. So when I be cutting hair and I be filming sometimes, it be flies just running rampant around here, you know what I mean? They're just everywhere. So today, I'm purposed to kill some flies. And just like that, we're done. It's over, okay? The cut is done. Let me show you. Let me show you. Can you look up, sir? Thank you. All right. Thank you. All right. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Yes, 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 yes. Nah, you guys are blurred out.
Are we gonna show up in the video?
Pretty much. You want to be?
Yes.
Okay. Listen, you guys. Let me. Say your piece, man. Say your piece. You're saying hi? That's it?
Hi. Shout out to my little cousin Efren. He watches you. He's ginger haired. I'm gonna bring him one day.
Hey, hold on. Ginger hair. Come on. You gotta hook that up. For real? Like he has red hair?
Red hair.
Come on.
I'll plug you.
I need one. I need one.
Oh
yeah. He actually has pretty good hair.
schedule with me. That's good.
Alright.
Arlen, what's good? Talk to him. Talk to him.
How you doing, YouTube?
I mean, don't you
camera shy?
don't you want followers or something?
I do, yeah. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube.
Okay.
Arlen,
All right.
UHH.
Okay.
You know?
All right. So we're gonna go over here to Memo. Okay. Memo, talk to him. Tell him.
Love YouTube.
Tell him something. Where can they follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram at Mem the Barber. Also watch my YouTube Mem the Barber as well.
Okay.
Make sure to subscribe, right, you guys?
All right. They will.
You
They
got
will.
something to say?
Link in the description. Excuse me. I see you here. That you want some shine? Let's go.
Yeah, hold up. You know, I'm from Fairfield.
Fairfield? Okay. All right. We're gonna go over here because I don't. You know, that wasn't for me. That was for her. What up? What up? Talk to him. Talk to him. Relly.
Oh, me?
Relly. Come on. You first, then the client. Come on. Okay. Is there anything you want to say, client? Is there anything you want to say?
Vallejo, California, stand up.
Okay. Ooh, Vallejo.
B-Town, you know.
Vallejo. Okay.
VHS Apaches. I know Red Hawks. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
All right, we're gonna go over here. We see some transaction going on over here. There's definitely transaction going over here. Can I be a part of this transaction?
Can you?
I don't know, but his taper is clean. Y'all see what goes on in Velocity Cuts.
Excellent execution.
Talk to him.
Tell them.
Ramon, talk to him. Talk to him. They need to hear
What I
you.
gotta hear. What they gotta hear.
I mean, where can they follow you?
They can follow me on IG
Okay.
at Suave Blends.
Suave Blends, all right? Look at the suave. Look at the shoes. Hold on. Look at the shoes.
They got a little bit of hair on them. Hold on. Let me get the blow dryer.
Suave, ladies and gentlemen. Suave.
Jared. Hey, pass it to Jared. Pass it to Ephraim real quick. Pass it to Ephraim.
Okay, hold on.
He's so excited. Pass it to Ephraim real quick. Ephraim.
It's the other way. It's the other way.
Okay, ooh, listen, hold on, yeah. Listen, right now, you gotta come to Velocity Cuts and get your hair cut. You have to. All right, 5:30. It doesn't even matter. You don't need an appointment. Just make sure you come. Okay, 5:30. Make sure you call before you come too. All right.
Look at
We're gonna make this happen. I need a ginger on my channel. I need a redhead for sure.
I don't know where my client at. Where my client at? He didn't show
Really?
Try calling him.
So George, how are you doing today? How are you doing, George? Yeah. You know, it's all good. You know, everything is cool. You know.
I'm waiting for my client. Jerry, you know where my client's at?
Nah.
I tried calling him.
YouTube, it's about to get real. Got another waiver in the chair. I've been getting hit back to back with waivers, man. Yesterday I had a 3-year-old waiver. Right now, man, I got a grown man right now. All right, he's telling y'all to step y'all game up in secret. Basically, I'm telling y'all to step y'all game up. All right, but it's about to get real. Transformation. It's going down.